on a morning run. It's raining, it's cold, but we've stumbled across a castle we had no idea. Run was good today. I think we did about 7Ks.
Yeah,
Bit under 7K. Saw a castle, saw a fort. Well, ruins of both, but it was still pretty cool. You have fun?
Yeah.
Now we're going to have breakfast. We're done in the travel lodge. Where to now?
Glasgow.
Let's go. Quick stop on our journey to Glasgow. We found another castle. Although this one's cooler. It's like on an island in the middle of the water, where most islands are.
Yeah.
We would literally do anything to see a castle, even stop in the middle of the rain, in the middle of the freeway, just to see a castle.
We're castle hunters.
We're at another distillery, checking this one out. So it's called Oban Distillery. I think that's how you say it. Oban?
No idea.
I don't know. So we're going to do another tour. How was that
That was
tour?
very informative.
I think it was better than the other one.
Yeah.
Did you like the whiskey better?
Yeah, I like the whiskey better. The guy was better at explaining. The other guy was just like, goes from here to here to here, and then we have whiskey.
Yeah. All right, let's go exploring this little town. Little bay.
One through the hole here.
Mate, vuoi prendere le mani?
Made it all the way to Glasgow. We have parked in a car park and now we're going to wander. I haven't been in one of these for a few days.
Haven't been on a carriageway with more than one lane for a few days.
It's very true actually. I was doing 70. I was like, oh, this feels good.
Doors open.
Where are we?
Glasgow?
And this is the...
I don't know. Georgia Square? Seems like the main square.
It does, doesn't it? David Livingstone. So what we have here is the oldest house in Glasgow, where Mary Queen of Scots stayed. Pretty cool.
Looks a bit rundown.
I think they need to fix it up a little. It's raining, there's a massive drop of water on the lens. The hunt for good food is on. She's working hard to find us yummy food. There's some pretty awesome street art murals around Glasgow. We found another one, check it out. Checked into our hotel, well, B&B. Just did a final packing ready to catch the ferry tomorrow off to Belfast. So I think we're going to get an early night because we've got an early morning.
I know you want it. I know you want it. Don't hold back.